Hello everybody, this is Alex
And Steve.
and today we're going to be starting a Christmas world.
Yes, and the list.
So we made a list of the things we have to build before Christmas. And there is 32 days until Christmas Day. So as you can see on Steve's screen.
Oh wait, there it is, yeah. So this is all the stuff we're going to do. We're building a 40-block tall Christmas tree, build a Christmas village, make a reindeer pen, build a Christmas tree star for the Christmas tree, build a Christmas tree house. Wait, we're going to switch that to a snow globe.
Yeah, we're going to build a giant snow globe.
Make a snow golem army. That's 30 snow golem. Build Santa's sleigh, brand gingerbread house, and put up Christmas lights. Also, if you're wondering why we need the snow golem army, that's
to protect us from mobs.
Yeah, no mobs are going to come near us.
Okay,
Snap
Steve.
the snowball. Isn't that so smart?
Steve, let's just start the ball.
Okay.
What if we just trap it in like one block with a window?
So this is survival.
And then we can just put them all over the
Why is
village.
this so pixely?
I don't know.
Pixely. Okay.
And Steve, don't forget to set it to a snowy biome, because we did try to do this in a different world, but Steve didn't set it to a snowy biome.
Video. Oh, there. Okay, good.
Okay, so he's gonna set it to a snowy.
No,
village.
we're not gonna use that village as our village because one of them's build a village. We're not gonna use that. We're gonna have to build our own village.
Or we
just. What about we chop down that village and recycle it?
Yeah, that's what I was
called
thinking.
recycling, right?
We're just gonna chop down that village and then rebuild it.
Just chop down a village and then build it again, and you recycled.
Okay, Steve might have to put on a resource pack, a texture pack on the world.
Just a resource pack, no behavior pack. So that means there's no cheats.
Yeah.
It's taking a while.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Seriously? Oh, there's the snow. I said it's a snowy biome. And I didn't even spawn.
Steve, you gotta put on the.
Oh, right. This isn't the vanilla textures. I gotta put the vanilla textures on.
Yeah.
Anyway, putting them on. You'll see the difference, ready? And I'll put on the new. Wow, I feel like my mouse is weird and inverted or something. Okay. Watch this. Alright, here we go. Normal vanilla textures.
And I'm gonna join Steve now.
Not like a vanilla, but you know. Anyways. I'm going to the snowy biome.
Wait for me.
I'm swimming in this really realistic water. That's how realistic it is. Haven't you ever realized how realistic real life is? It's like more realistic than
Oh my
this.
gosh, why do those things keep popping up? I think
What?
it's because they didn't pop up before. My computer was kind
What's
of getting
popping
glitchy.
up? What?
Oh, just like the skins that I bought encrypted. Oh, look, an ancient enderpearl. What'd you get?
Does it seem glitchy to you guys on mine?
I think your computer isn't plugged in. Okay, here's the village that
And
we were
here's
talking
3D
about.
snow.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Anyways.
Okay. So,
Me first at the blacksmith. That's the blacksmith, right?
I'm gonna chop down some of these carrots.
Blacksmith.
Carrots are that Christmas.
Oh, look! Diamonds on the first day. We make a diamond pickaxe. See, this world is coming to a good start.
Nice work. Okay.
So we're gonna
look, a cat.
So we're gonna recycle this village. It's
Yep.
called being green. We're gonna chop down all the houses, and then we're gonna rebuild it. Right? 200 IQ plan. Right? We're gonna chop all this down, and then sorry villagers. You can come live in our other village. Should we move the villagers?
Want some bread?
Maybe. Oh, a blue bed. You never really see those every day. That looks so cool.
Yeah. Can I see?
Yeah. I have the best. Alex has the best idea. Let's burn down the village.
No.
It'll go even faster. We're just recycling.
No, we're recycling.
Yeah.
You don't want to put that gas into the air.
That's not.
We're gonna chop it down, and then use that wood to build new
because
houses.
that's breaking. Because
Here,
that's not
Steve.
I can barely see in these houses. How do you see? I need a light.
Here,
Oh, there's a light.
take the bread.
Oh, nice.
I traded the villager.
Wait, you traded already? What did you even get emeralds? What?
I traded 22 carrots for 1 emerald and 1 emerald for 6
Alex is
bread.
really fast at this.
This one.
Sorry, villager. I'm just gonna barge into your house, steal a bed, maybe chop down your house, and your neighbor's house, and your neighbor's house, and maybe your whole village. You know, no big deal here. That's what we sound like to the villagers. And they're just like, huh? They're watching us making weird sounds. Because we don't know what they're saying. What do you think they're saying when they go, huh?
How?
They kind of sound like a distorted sound of a baby whining. I don't know.
That was so funny. Hey, look, I found
Do you want to be funny?
a bed.
What if villagers could actually talk? Villagers could talk. I bet this is what a villager would say. He'd be on his roof, and he'd be like, "Oh no, I'm stuck." He'd look at a ladder next to him, and he'd say, "I don't know how to get down. Help! Help!" Wouldn't that be funny?
Yeah. I'm just
Like,
barging
that's what
in,
villagers would
taking
say
beds.
if they could talk.
No big deal. Where are you?
I'm just chopping
Okay,
trees.
Steve is gone, guys. Steve's gone.
No, I just went to the
I
side.
can't
I'm just
find
chopping
him anymore.
trees.
Shouldn't you be chopping these trees?
Oh, right. We're just
By the
gonna-
way, Steve can see my screen because we're saying this.
How long have we been recording for? 8 minutes?
Yeah, 8 minutes.
Feels like a few minutes.
And 8
How does time go by so
nine,
fast?
10. Okay. I'm gonna start chopping down the village.
These igloo houses are really cool.
Can you make a pickaxe?
I want to come in your igloo house.
Can you make a pickaxe
How
and
is
get
the
the
snow not
lanterns, Steve?
Huh?
Isn't the whole point? Wait, isn't an igloo supposed to be like it keeps the warmth in? Why do they need torches? Oh, to see. This villager's looking at me like I'm dumb. What?
We have the first snow block. I found it in a chest. Right
Oh,
here.
what?
Snow block.
I thought you said note block.
Let's make all the villagers go into the house.
Let's go into your homes, villagers. And soon we're gonna recycle your village. Yeah, just recycling.
Look away, bed.
We're gonna recycle your village.
Can you make a pickaxe, Steve?
Pickaxe.
And
Oh, and also, guys, we have to do all those things before Christmas, or so they don't bring us presents in the world.
I do.
Hope I get
Hey, look, bunnies.
bunnies.
He wants a carrot. Yes, you want a carrot. Who wants
That
a
looks like a
carrot?
killer bunny. Its eyes are red. Get away from that.
I'm feeding them.
But what if we wake up one day and it burns down our village or something? Because it gets into my chest of red steel.
Come on, breed already.
Can we recycle the iron golem?
Only.
They're just recycling, right? I can say it's just recycling to everything, like tearing down the village.
Oh my
and stuff,
gosh,
and it sounds
these
good.
bunnies are going crazy. I just fed them. Breeze and they're going crazy.
One doesn't jump down the hole with me. Or then
Maybe you jump down the hole.
I jump down the hole. I'm digging straight down. That's what I shouldn't do. Well, now I'm digging to the side. Also, do you like my skin? It's from a skin pack.
I'm a gingerbread man. You can see it in the corner.
Yes.
I didn't make that, by the way. It's from a skin pack.
Skin packs are cool. What skin pack is this? I forgot what it's called. But it's just a skin pack. It's cool. It's on the marketplace. Okay, there we
Okay, let's start recycling the village.
go. Okay.
Come on, guys. I'm gonna leave the bunnies inside of here.
Okay. Time to start recycling.
Come on.
That's a nice way of saying
seems
we're
like
tearing down the villagers' houses.
Seems like the baby one is the only one that's going. Okay, the baby one's inside of that house.
Okay. But I'm recycling this house. Recycling. Oh, I'm recycling.
Recycling. Oh, Steve.
That's my song of recycling. Okay. This might take a while. Should we do time lapse or should we just talk the whole time so you don't get bored?
I don't know. Do you want us to talk or do time lapse?
But we can't hear them, so we don't know.
Fair point.
The difficulties of not recording live.
I don't think we can record live yet. I think we need more.
I'm pretty sure we can. We just have to set it up or something. We're like that. Don't know how to do that. And then we couldn't edit it. Like, oh no, I'm low battery. See guys how on mine it gets so glitchy like this? Yeah,
I
it means
think
I'm low
Steve
battery.
should
I'm gonna
go
get
get
my
his
charger.
Yeah, so Steve is going to get his charger. I'm just gonna finish recycling these houses. Oh, sorry, Steve. On accident. I'm recycling the house that you're in. Why look glitched on your screen?
That's because I'm low battery. Okay, I got my charger. You don't have to see the glitches anymore.
Yeah, sorry if that was hurting your brain.
Hurting your brain. I don't think that hurts your brain. Okay.
Okay, why don't you get to work on tearing down?
Yeah, we need a lot of axes for this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tear down this village and recycle it. Hey, villager. No, I'm not tearing down your house. I'm just recycling.
Yeah, we're recycling everything.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about that?
He's just staring at me. Hiding behind the wall. You were just staring at me when you said that.
Use a pickaxe to get the lanterns.
Why are you staring at me? Stop it. I'm gonna go recycle another house instead.
Do we need to recycle the farms?
Wait, are we gonna rebuild the village here or somewhere else?
Yeah, we're gonna rebuild the village here. Why else would we be tearing it down?
I don't know.
I think this might take all episode.
Probably. The episode of recycling a village. Should we do time lapse then? So then we have more time. Okay, get into a house, merge into a house, this time bed. There, sleep.
I think we might hit our heads.
Okay everyone, it's day. And now we're continuing to recycle the village.
Yeah.
And yes, I have a lot of logs. So yeah.
Oh,
Why do I even pause the time lapse? I don't really know.
Continuing.
Yeah, continuing. Okay, guys. For a second, hang on. I just did off time lapse.
Wait, it's a rare bunny that's not named. I thought you could only get these by name.
That breed, like name it Toast. Yeah, I don't know, but I found an ancient in their portal.
Come on, carrot.
Yes.
Carrot, come on.
And another village.
I'm gonna break a hole.
Into the chest. I was hoping for something. What the heck is hurting me? Wait, what was that? No, literally, what was that? Something was hurting me so bad. Okay.
Okay.
That,
I'm gonna try and get
I'm naming this the cursed ancient nether portal. Don't go near it.
There you go. I trapped a bunny in a hole.
What? Like a random floating block. Hey look, a dark creepy cave. Anyways, we're gonna continue to recycle the village. Okay everyone, right now I'm recycling cows into food.
And I think Steve shouldn't do that right now. I'm gonna
Yeah,
come over
see?
and get mad.
They killed the cows,
Well,
and now I'm
well,
recycling them. See? It's not mean, it's just called recycling.
I'm going. Help.
None of that
I'm
goes.
gonna hit the iron roll.
Oh no, Alex is gonna do something. No. Don't do that, please.
don't know, this house is broken.
Ah, the killer bunny. I think it's gonna kill me.
Come here. Snow. Ah! She's chasing me, she's chasing me. Oh no, the house is broken. Where is it? Where'd it go?
I don't know. It seems like this video has been going on for a while, and the time lapse has been going on.
It's 22 minutes.
Yeah, don't worry, we time lapse some of it. Alex just put it out. So anyways, we will see you in the next episode, right?
Yeah.
Which where we'll continue recycling the village. And we'll see if Alex dies or not from Iron Golem. Okay, Alex is totally gonna die. Look at that thing. It just like it's trying to break the snow with its eyeballs or something.
Are you still watching?
Oh, yeah, stop
I'm
watching.
gonna end it.
Yeah.
Bye. And 3, 2, 1.